Sawadika, let's talk about Thai names.
Thai names are so long.
Yeah, so long.
What's your full name?
My full name is Nichayun Tararak.
I know Bem Bem's like
It's
it's
very
super
It's
long.
Ganpimuk Gun something. Sorry, bro.
I think sometimes Bam Bam doesn't even know his name.
What up, man? It's your boy, Double B, Bam Bam. Oh, what the?
Even Thai people admit that Thai names can be a bit long and hard to remember. And you might have noted that Thai people always have two names, a really long and formal name and a short, simple nickname. But why? Well, there's actually a fascinating story behind this. Believe it or not, before 1913, Thai people didn't even have surnames. Everything changed when King Ramaphi decided that Thailand needed to modernize and match Western naming system. So he made a royal decree requiring everyone to have family names. And to make sure no two families had the same surname, people created really long, unique names. You want to see how long Thai names can get? Let me show you the real names of Thailand's capital city, Bangkok. Ready? What are the names of Bangkok?
กรุงเทพมหานครอมรรัตนโกสินทร์มหินทราอยุธยามหาดิลกนพรัตน์ราชธบุรีรมย์อุดมราชนิเวศมหาสถานอมรพิมานอวตารสถิตสกทัตติยะวิษณุกรมประสิทธิ์ Yeah, that's all.
Can you remember?
No.
Are you Thai?
Yes. But I cannot remember. It's too long. Well, this car is Bangkok. That's all. BKK.
What does it mean?
The city of angel.
Yeah.
And
No wonder everyone just calling it Bangkok, right? Or in Thailand, we call it Krung Thep. Now, Thai formal names aren't just random combinations of words. They are usually a mix of Sanskrit and Thai, and they always carry beautiful meanings. For example, Kanchanapon means golden blessing, or Siripon means graceful blessing. Asix means sun, or Somchai means worthy man. Those are beautiful. And here's something funny. You might notice many Thai female names end with pon, but don't worry, it actually means blessing in Thai. It's not what you are thinking right now. So what about nicknames? This is where it gets really interesting. Thai parents get super creative with nicknames, and let me show you some common ways they choose names. Sometimes it's based on how baby looks, like on for chubby baby or yai for big baby. Or sometimes it's food or fruits. Som means orange, manao means lamb, and many parents just use English words that they heard or they like. Bank, beer, golf, and most of the time they goes for the sound of it, not actually the meaning of the English word. Or even animal names. Kai means chicken, no means mouse. Well, even Thai people don't know why they got their nicknames.
Yes, my sister's name is Oil.
Oil?
Why?
Why? You call her Oil?
Yes, it's yeah.
But you don't know
Oil.
why?
You don't. It's just because it's an English
It's
word.
a popular Thai name. I think it's a popular Thai name. I have no clue why.
What's the weirdest
why people call it.
What's the weirdest nickname you have in Thailand that would be misinterpreted here in the United States?
Name?
Yeah. Is there a nickname that?
No,
Name.
that's the name.
Oh, name is a name?
Yes.
Oh my God, that's fantastic because I'm always forgetting people's name.
Yeah.
And if I was in town, I'd be like, "Hey, name."
That's pretty
name.
good. It cuts out the middleman.
Yeah, I love that.
Yeah, it's my friend, and he has a twin, and his twin name is Nam, which means name in Thai.
Okay.
Oh.
So his name is
Name and Nam.
Name Nam.
There's a lot of.
Maybe after giving birth to you, look at you and then they decided you're gonna have this name forever. And yes, unlike Western cultures where nicknames usually develop over time, Thai babies get their nicknames right at birth, and these stick with them forever. We use them everywhere, even at work. You have no choice. And when writing a full Thai name, the authors go like this. Take the famous actor Bright Vacharawit Tiwari. Bright is his nickname, Vacharawit is his first name, Tiwari is his family name. And if you find Thai names fascinating, you will love discovering more about Thai language and culture. That's why I want to tell you about the Ling app. It's packed with lessons about Thai culture, plus all the language skills you will need to communicate with Thai people. I'm a foreigner living in Thai, and I have been using the app for 2 years to improve my Thai language. So check it out if you're interested. By the way, here's a fun fact. Some Thai people even get their nicknames from brand names like Bang, Pepsi, Coca, or some things parents just choose a sound they like. Now you know why Thai people have two names. It's our way of balancing tradition with practicality. If you want to learn more about Thai language and culture, download the Ling app in the description box below, and it's the perfect way to start your Thai learning journey. Thank you so much for watching the video, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye!